In this example, we're going to take a look at the if, elif, else decision structure. And we'll start off with a foundation where we're asking for a person's passcode, and they type in a passcode, and we check to see using the if structure if it's correct. So we're going to build on this. So I'm going to come down to this line after print, and I'm going to throw in else. So type the word else. Notice that it's orange color. It's a keyword. Hit colon, and then if. So if passcode is equal to Joe, print. That is correct. And then we could continue this pattern for every person in the company, or as many people as we would like. But notice how I keep getting this staircase of if and else. This is called a nested if structure. And I could continue this pattern as long as I want to. Okay, so we'll just add a few more here. And the pattern would continue. Instead of having this long series of if-else, we want to use if-elif. And what that's going to do is just organize it a little bit better. Because if this continues a little bit longer, you can see here that we're slowly coming across the screen. So the if-elif is going to help me keep everything nice and organized and left justified. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. So if you already have this typed in, one of the easiest things to do is just backspace. There's your elif. Okay, there's your elif. But notice for the first one, the if is lined up with the elif. Okay, so that's where we get that from. It's just short for else if. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Okay, so now we have this final else that's at the end. That's usually referred to as a trailing else. And that usually picks up anything that eventually gets to this point. So if you typed in a password and it wasn't Sally, Joe, or Tom, must have been incorrect. So incorrect passcode. Okay, so this is your if-elif structure. Okay, so the last thing we want to do is test this out. So we'll go to run module. Enter your passcode. Tom, that's correct. Okay, works good. Let's run this again. Enter your passcode. Steve, incorrect passcode. And that is the if, elif, else structure. Until next time.